gota de agua por sombría. Oh, no, no.
25 towns in Huelva have activated emergency plans due to strong winds and heavy rain. Strong winds this morning have caused problems in several towns in the Sierra de Huelva and have affected various infrastructures that are currently being assessed for damage. This morning has seen heavy rain and heavy hail in several areas, such as Valdelamusa, and strong storms have hit Isla Cristina and the capitals Ayamonte and Huelva. The Andalusian Emergency Agency, which is part of the Ministry of the Presidency, Interior, Social Dialogue and Administrative Simplification of the Council, recommends extreme caution and following the advice on self-protection in the event of rain and storms in the face of the warning. Meteorological conditions that throughout the day have affected the provinces of Huelva, Seville and Cádiz. The morning ended without incident in relation to the Garoe storm that has hit the westernmost region of the autonomous community since Monday. Although the strong winds have caused problems in several towns in the Sierra de Huelva and have affected various infrastructures that are currently being assessed for damage. This morning it rained heavily and hailed heavily in some areas, such as Valdelamusa, and a strong storm hit Isla Cristina and Ayamonte. The Presidency maintains that the Andalusian Flood Risk Emergency Plan, PERI, is active in Emergency Phase, Operational Situation 1, which refers to events that can cause damage, although they can be served with the means and resources of the Junta de Andalucia. Since the beginning of the storm, almost 30 municipalities in Andalusia have also activated the Territorial Local Emergency Plan, PTEL. Currently, 25 are still running, most of them 24, in the province of Huelva, Villarasa, Niebla, Ayamonte, Cartaya, Nerva, San Juan del Puerto, Bolalos Par del Condado, Pinollos, Lucena del Puerto, Huelva Capital, Beas, Lepe, Villalba del Alcor, La Palma del Condado, Almonte, Cortegana, Aroche, Castaño del Robledo, Valdelarco, Sanlúcar of Guadiana, Linares de la Sierra, Higuera de la Sierra, Ensenasola and Cumbres de San Bartolomé.
Y mira la vida que vive. Pescar, me dijo pescar.